attraverso l'ordine del Santo Sepolcro anche.
To come together from afar with our fellow brothers and sisters in the Holy Land, to join in prayer for peace, and to collectively ponder how we can increasingly embody the spirit of unity within the universal Church. This will be a significant aspect of our gathering. With these words, Cardinal Fernando Filoni in the Holy See Press Office introduced the presentation of the 2023 Council of the Equestrian Order of the Holy Sepulcher of Jerusalem. As Grand Master of the Order, Cardinal Filoni focused on the theme of this meeting that will take place in Rome from November the 6th to the 10th. This General Assembly brings together the delegates responsible for the Order's various peripheral structures around the world.
We think that the formation is an essential point. First of all, to understand what we are and what we're doing. And the second, for those who would like to join. It is important that they will join just because we believe that our mission towards the Holy Land needs a spirituality, needs understanding, needs capacity.
The Equestrian Order of the Holy Sepulcher of Jerusalem is a lay institution of pontifical right and currently has 30,000 members present on 5 continents. Their mission is to consolidate the Christian presence in the land of Jesus by supporting the works of the Catholic Church in the Holy Land, especially those of the Latin Patriarchate of Jerusalem. The current complicated situation in the Holy Land was also a topic discussed at the end of the press conference with Cardinal Filoni, who expressed his views and concerns.
This gathering now comes in a moment very dramatic for Palestine, for the Israel, with so many people who were killed incredibly. And now with the Palestinian people which are under so strong attacks. And we, of course, we understand that still being not part of one or the other, but still we have a role in these moments, especially in supporting our people, Christian, not Christian, all those who are there.
At the conclusion of the meeting, participants will be received in audience by the Holy Father and will then make a pilgrimage to the Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls and the Shrine of Divine Love.